So hey guys, welcome to a new video. I hope you all are doing great. My name is Kunal Sharma and I am from Delhi, India. I am currently studying in Martin Luther University, Halle. So in this channel, I usually post videos about Germany, lifestyle in Germany, vlogs and education videos. So I think that today's video gonna be really special because today's video is about accommodation. Accommodation plays a really important and a problematic role in student life in Germany, or also who is someone who completed his or her studies and is working here, and he or she has to find a new home. It's really problematic. And I remember when I was new in this city in Halle, I had no accommodation with my big heavy bags. I used to move from here to there all the day searching for accommodation, 1 week in hotel and then in Airbnb. So it's really problematic, but in this video we'll try to explain what are the ways through which you can find an accommodation in Germany. Also, if you are moving from one place to another, what are the possible ways that can help you if there is any problem, what are the solutions to that. So I'll try to explain everything, my experience, because I recently changed my home. I was living at somewhere else for since 6 months, and then I changed to this home. If someone is watching my video since long, he or she can see that my background is finally changed, because as I said, I recently moved into a new house. So earlier I was living in a student hostel, so it was like the hostel which is given by the university. So it's usually cheaper than private accommodation, but now I am living in a private accommodation. So I will also tell what are the possible ways. The first way is student hostel, which is provided by the university, and the second, how you can find a private hostel, just like private apartments, like a private apartment where I am living. So the last apartment where I was living, it was like a home. How do we say that? It was like a student hostel, and I shared with 7 other people there, and the rent there was 202 euros. I have also made a student hostel too. You can also see that because it was my last apartment. And then my contract was till 6 months, and it was ended in September end. So then I have to find a new accommodation, and then I just search. There are many sites. There are also one can find accommodation in Facebook, that we will talk later what are the possible ways. And then my accommodation, the contract ended in September end. So I took it lightly that I'll find the accommodation. It's really easy to find accommodation in Halle because I was living in the student hostel, and I thought that I can easily find that. But I was wrong, and I'll strongly recommend you do not take the thing of accommodation lightly, because it's really difficult. Halle is not a big city, and though it took me around one and a half month to find an accommodation. So, and I came here with a friend's referral. So it was around 25th of September, and after 5 days I had no home. So but luckily a friend of mine told me that his friend has an empty room. Do you want that? But it's a bit costly, and it's like a private apartment. I said, I want that, because it's better to stay in a costlier room than to stay in hotel or in Airbnbs. So I just said that I'll sign the contract, and I'll move in from 1st October. So then I called the company which used to give that home. Then I signed the contract, and I came here. But the problem here was that it was completely unfurnished. So you can imagine, just starting from the curtain rods till the bed, it was completely unfurnished. I'll put a photo how the room was in starting. So it was completely unfurnished, and I had to buy everything. But the main problem was that how can I transport everything from the place where I buy it and to my home. But then I came to know about Luggage Pool. So Luggage Pool is just like it's like an all-in-one platform that fulfill all your logistic need. I want a car because I wanted to shift, because I wanted to buy the furniture, and then I wanted to take it to here. And then I came to know about them, and then I contacted them, and then I used their services, and I'll say they are completely reliable, they are really fast, they are really secure, and they have an excellent support team. I just call them. You can also contact them on WhatsApp. So it was really fast, and I also found the prices really reasonable and cheap. But the prices are not compromised with the quality. It was really good, and I was really satisfied with their services, and I will strongly recommend you to use their services when you're shifting home from in Germany, or also in the whole of Europe. They have services throughout the Europe, so it's like a big network and it's completely reliable. Also, they have a €100 guarantee for damage or loss of a product during the transaction process on luggage pool. So these all services led to recommendation of this website, this luggage pool company, and I'll strongly recommend you to use their services. The link of their website is in the description. Also, there is a referral link of mine. If you use that, you can get a €5 discount on your first order on luggage pool. So why waste time on using other services when you can save time and money by using luggage pool? So surely I'll recommend you to use their services when you are moving from Germany or from any part of Europe. And then after I bought these things, I moved in with the help of luggage pool. I moved here, and then slowly I furnished all of my apartment, and now it's completely furnished. So as I said, it's like a private apartment, but I'll say the location is really good. Unlike my last apartment was really on the outskirts of the city, and it's in the middle of the city, and that's why the rent is more, but it's like a private apartment. And I'll ask you, if you want a video tour of this apartment, just like my last apartment tour that I made from my student hostel, if you want a video tour of this, how much rent I paid, how much security I paid, what are the facilities here, if you want that, just write in the comments, and if there is a good response, I'll surely try to make a video on that. So now let's move to the main part of the video, how to find an accommodation in Germany. So it's really problematic to find an accommodation in Germany, or also main problematic is when someone is coming from India or from their home country and they landed here and they have no home. So it's really problematic to find a home there. But I'll give some recommendation that are through my experiences, because I recently changed my home. I really had bad experiences also, I really had good experiences also. What are the recommendations that you can get through my experiences? I'll say that. So firstly, never take this topic lightly, because just like in my case, I took that lightly, that I have 1 or 1.5 months, I can easily find an apartment, there is no problem, I can easily find it. But that was my problem, that was my mistake, because sometimes it may take 1 to 2 months to find an accommodation, find a new house in Germany. So never take this topic lightly. If you have a deadline that after 2 or 3 months that you have to make your home empty, you have to move out, just try to find out the accommodation as soon as possible, because it can take 1 to 2 months to find an accommodation. Yeah, if you are lucky you can get it earlier, but normally it takes 1 to 2 months. So why take a risk? Just if you have got a deadline that you have to move out, try find to soon it as soon as possible. The second recommendation that I'll say, please make contacts with people. Contacts are very important if you are not in your home country, if you are in another country. For example, there is no one here, you are alone here, you have to do everything by yourself. Then only your friends will help you, only the person you know will help you. So just try to make as much contacts as possible. Because just like in my case, a friend of mine told that his friend has an empty room, so that's why just like after that I go to get this room, or it would be very difficult for me to find a room. So try to make as much as contacts as possible. Talk with people, because if you are not having room, you will say, yeah, I don't have a room, can you help me? Yeah, I don't have a room, can you help me? So it can be helpful at that time. Now let us talk about some website that can be helpful when you have to find an apartment. So firstly, I'll talk about Immobilien Scout 24. I'll write the name here, Immobilien Scout 24.de. Also then WG Gesucht. I personally found WG Gesucht very good. It was there is an app, you can download it and you can see it, and there are a lot of options available. But the problem is that people sometimes reply, but they don't, and sometimes they do not reply. But they have a really good option, so you can also try WG Gesucht. Then eBay Kleinanzeigen. eBay Kleinanzeigen, it's like an app where you can also buy second-hand things and also like stuff. So you can just simply type Wohnung. Wohnung is like apartment in German language. Then you can see the options that are available nearby. Then eBay Kleinanzeigen. Then Immowelt. Immowelt is also like a website like Immobilien Scout 24.de. Also then Facebook. Facebook is also very helpful when you are searching a home, for example, for example, I am in Halle, so there are many groups like students in Halle or Indians in Halle. So there are certain groups in which they post like, I have a free room, or you can also write, if someone has a free room, please contact me, because I'm searching that, like this stuff. So the Facebook can be really helpful because you can also make contacts. For example, a friend of mine, she came in contact with another girl, and they both started finding a room in Halle, and they got like a big 2-room apartment, and they move in together. So Facebook can be really helpful in these things. Also, I'll say that Nido Students, this website is not so popular. It's only popular in some cities. I'll say that cities like Halle or Berlin or Bremen, Dresden, or also in Munich, I've heard. So there are also sites that are for particular regions, so you can try these all sites. I think that they must be helpful if you are finding an accommodation in Germany. Also, there are many agencies that help in finding apartments, or they have like their own apartments. Like in Halle, there is an agency which is called HWG, that is Hallisches Wohnungsgesellschaft. So they have their own rooms. In fact, they have their own buildings. So it is written very big, like HWG. It belongs to them. So you can try with them also. When lucky, you can find a cheap room there also. Also, there are some agencies, like in every cities there are agents. You can rent a home from them also. It may be costlier from them, but if you have no options, you can also try from them. So you can easily type on Google Maps Immobilia. So Immobilia, you can easily type on Google Maps, and then you will get a list of that. You can go them, you can visit it there, and if you find an accommodation there, then it's really good, or you can try searching. So I think these options are all that I use myself also, and then I recommended you also. And also just try to make as much contacts as with people. Also, don't take this topic lightly, because it's very important and it's very problematic. Also, just try using Luggage Pool. It's really good. I also use it personally, and I'll surely recommend you. The link is in the description, through which you will get €5 discount on your first order with Luggage Pool. And this video is till here only. I hope you all find this video helpful. Please write in comment which part you like the most, or the next video which you like to have from me. Just write in comment. If you like the video, do like the video. If you want to support the channel, just subscribe the channel. Also follow me on the Instagram. The username is coming here. Till then, we will meet in the next video. Subscribe to the channel if you want to support them.